We're going to be talking today about the process of creating a customized harp. Well, it starts with a vision in your mind of what you might want to accomplish with that particular customization. Common customizations might be taking a Suzuki SCX and sanding the top of the comb flat so it's more airtight. Or it might be taking and changing the shape of the covers at the back end so that they broadcast sound better. In my instance, the process is a little different because the customizations involve things I've invented. And so I think that's what we're going to talk about right now is that. This is a combination of the various parts that I have to make a customized instrument. And I'll kind of go over what we're doing. It starts off with a brand new Seydel Volcany orchestra tuned. And my first task, this is the first time it's been unpacked. My first task is to protect it. Do you see how beautifully smooth this bottom is? Well, in order to stay that way, it has to be protected because they scratch real easy. So my first little thing in my process is just to put a piece of tape on it so that when it gets set down, it won't scratch. Just like that. Not a big deal, but this way, that metal will stay absolutely perfect through the various things I'm going to be doing to it. Okay, so in this case, we have this beautiful all-brass Seydel Volcany. And this is a nice mouthpiece. It's a half round, moon round. But I'm making, this is my harp here, this copy of my harp I'm making. This is a slider, one of those KETTLEWELL frictionless mouthpiece sliders. And I kind of like the fact that the mouthpiece extends to the end of the mouth a little bit more, and I also like that it really locks the slider on nicely. So in this particular case, this harmonica, I also got a trapezoidal mouthpiece for a Saxony, so that's kind of part of the customization. Then that's the stock bucket button, and that's the custom one. The custom button has the advantage that it's more comfortable to the hand and slick, so you can slide your hand easier, and it also sticks out just a little bit more. So I'm going to make a custom button that will go onto this slide, so I have to get that button off. And then this harmonica is going to have these covers that were actually designed and are manufactured by Russ Kammerer, but I'm the inventor. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? They create an acoustically valid sound chamber for each of the reeds, which is great. So I've got these two new covers that were made by Russ. And then the other customization is that I'm going to make a slider. And those start off as a chunk of aged acrylic, like that. And then I hand shape them to this. It looks like a simple design. It's not. It has a lot of nuances. All the edges are cambered and smooth. That's smoothed in the hole here. The shaping is very important to the comfort of the plate of the mouth, and it has to be accurate within 1/10,000th of an inch on the underside. So I'm just saying that is a project. But that's where we're headed with this instrument. So we're going to have a harp that is easier to hold because the physical shape is much larger than it is on a Volcany that's stock. Also, you'll see the covers keep that bottom from touching anything, so that mine can't get damaged because these covers protect it. So it'll have this resonance from the covers. It'll have that wonderful button, and it'll have that wonderful slider, and it'd be really quite a harp when we're all done with the project. So that's this journey of customization. It's unique because I've invented so many of the elements, but I think all customizations are interesting personally. I enjoy them and like to talk with people about them and hear what they're doing and learn from it. So anyway, that's the story of the journey of the custom harp.